Imagine waking up one day and realizing something strange. Two people are working in the same industry. They have the same experience. They have the same goals. But one of them finishes a full day of work in just 2 hours, while the other is still stuck doing tasks late at night. The difference is not talent. The difference is not hard work. The difference is AI agents. Many experts believe that by the end of this year, people who use advanced AI tools will feel like they are living in a completely different world compared to people who don't. And honestly, that shift has already started. Right now, businesses are discovering something powerful. AI is no longer just answering questions. AI can now take actions. It can research. It can analyze. It can organize information. And it can complete tasks automatically. These systems are called AI agents. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer anymore to build them. Anyone who is willing to learn and experiment can start using them today. But there is still a lot of confusion around this topic. People hear the word AI agent and imagine something extremely complicated. In reality, the idea is actually simple. Think of an AI agent like a digital employee. A chatbot answers questions. But an AI agent receives a goal and works until the job is done. Example, imagine you tell an AI agent, research this company and prepare a short report. Instead of giving one answer and stopping, the agent will search websites, collect information, organize the data, and create a structured report for you. It thinks step by step, just like a human assistant. Every AI agent usually has three important parts. The first part is the brain. This is a powerful AI model that can think, reason, and plan tasks. The second part is memory. Memory allows the agent to remember information from earlier steps or store useful knowledge for later. And the third part is tools. Tools allow the agent to interact with the outside world. For example, searching the internet, creating documents, sending emails, or updating spreadsheets. When you combine these three things together, you get a system that can complete real work. Now here's an important truth. AI agents are powerful, but they are not perfect. At the moment, they are not replacing entire jobs overnight. Instead, they are replacing specific tasks. Think of them like a junior employee. They can work quickly and efficiently, but they still need guidance and supervision. Humans still provide judgment and decision-making. AI agents focus on execution. This partnership between humans and AI is what makes businesses faster and more efficient. But before you start building AI agents, there is one very important step most people skip. You need to understand your workflow first. In simple terms, write down every task you do during your workday, every process, every small step. At first, this might seem unnecessary, but something interesting usually happens. Once everything is written down, you suddenly notice inefficiencies. Some steps are unnecessary. Some tasks are repeated. Some processes take much longer than they should. Just organizing your workflow can already save a lot of time. After that, you can start asking an important question. Which tasks can be automated? Not everything should be automated immediately. The best tasks to automate first have a few simple characteristics. They happen frequently. They take a lot of time. They follow a clear structure. And success is easy to measure. For example, imagine a sales process. Instead of trying to automate the entire sales system, break it into smaller tasks. Lead research, sending follow-up emails, scheduling meetings, updating customer records. Some of these tasks are perfect for AI agents. Others still require human judgment. Another important idea to understand is precision. Some tasks require perfect accuracy, others don't. For example, accounting requires extremely high precision. Even small errors can cause serious problems. But research tasks, summaries, or drafting emails can work perfectly well, even if they are not 100% perfect. That is why beginners should start with low-risk tasks. These tasks are easier to automate and still save huge amounts of time. Even reducing a 4-hour task to 30 minutes can completely change your productivity. Once you understand this, the next question becomes simple. How do you actually build an AI agent? Today, there are many tools that make this process easy. Two of the most popular platforms are Zapier and N8N. Zapier is great for beginners. You simply describe what you want the AI agent to do, and the system builds the workflow for you. For example, imagine receiving dozens of emails from companies asking for partnerships. Instead of reading every email manually, you can create an AI agent that analyzes each request. The agent can research the company online, check their website, analyze their products, and then create a short summary report telling you whether the opportunity is worth your time. All of this can happen automatically. The second tool, N8N, offers more customization. It allows you to design complex workflows and connect many different tools together. For example, an AI agent could collect research from the internet, analyze the data, generate a report, create a document, and send it to your team, all without manual work. While N8N can feel slightly more technical, it is extremely powerful for businesses that want deeper automation. But no matter which platform you choose, there are a few important mistakes you should avoid. First is data quality. AI agents are only as good as the information they receive. If the input data is messy or unreliable, the results will also be poor. Second is giving agents too much freedom too early. At the beginning, you should monitor every action. Gradually increase automation only after you confirm that the system works correctly. Third is missing safety guardrails. Without proper limits, AI agents can sometimes make wrong decisions. For example, imagine a customer asking an AI support agent to issue a large refund. Without safeguards, the agent might follow instructions incorrectly. That is why businesses add confirmation steps and human approval for sensitive actions. And finally, always measure results. Track how much time you save. Track accuracy and errors. And most importantly, measure the real business impact. Does the system increase productivity? Does it improve customer satisfaction? Does it save money? These are the metrics that matter. At the end of the day, the real skill you are building is not just learning a specific tool. The real skill is understanding what should be automated and what should not. AI agents are not here to replace human creativity or decision-making. They are here to remove repetitive work. When used correctly, they allow you to focus on the tasks that truly matter. And when multiple processes across a business become faster, the impact becomes huge. Hours of work turn into minutes. Productivity multiplies. And businesses grow faster than ever before. This is why learning AI today is such an advantage. The people who understand these tools early will have a massive head start in the future. If you want to learn more simple AI strategies, automation ideas, and business tools that help entrepreneurs work smarter, make sure you subscribe to SmartBizAI. Because the future of business will not just belong to the people who work the hardest. It will belong to the people who learn how to work smarter with AI.